It is Sunday, February 7th, Super Bowl Sunday. We have power. The snowing has stopped. Probably 34, close to 36 inches of snow. Power's back on, it's been restored. The snowing has stopped. The sun is out. It's cold though. To the front of the house. Yes, we'll get to see the Super Bowl today. 2010, February, Sunday 7th. The blizzard is over. And this is what we have left. Day 3, final day. A snowplow came earlier this morning. I can't even get through the... That's a shovel. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
How do you like all of this?
It's a lot, huh?
A real lot.
Yeah. We're doing a video of it. We did the beginning, before and after and during. So we're trying to get our final.
Were you up last night when the plow came through?
You know what? We've never heard the plow. We didn't hear the plow.
It was like
what time was it?
3 o'clock.
Oh. Usually I hear it, but it must have been tired.